Hello everyone. Before the video begins, make sure you go onto Instagram and follow me. And it's the same name as on my YouTube channel. It's Lola's Doll World Remakes. Make sure you give me a heart and leave a comment on under the pictures you like on my Instagram. And make sure before you watch this video, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment after you finish watching it and let me know what you think about this video. Bye. Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm creating another inspired doll, and she's another diva. Now y'all know my favorite diva is Whitney Houston, but this diva created the blueprint for Whitney Houston. And I wonder, can y'all guess? Well, I found a doll, one of my old dolls, and I said she kind of got her head shape or face shape, and I think I could make her. So if y'all didn't look at the thumbnail, y'all might, or look at the title of the video. I know I've already put the title and thumbnail up, but I want to see, can you guess who she is before y'all even look at the thumbnail or the title? But anyway, so I got a doll. It's an old doll, so I cleaned her off. Her hair was already cut off. I already had it like this, and I said, you know what? I'm going to have a few. I just need a few items, and I think I'm going to create the perfect diva. So sit back, and this video is very quick, and sit back and watch, and let me know if you enjoyed the process and does it look like the diva. Okay, be back. All done. Did y'all guess? It's Diana Ross from Central Park. I think Diana Ross is the epitome of a diva. She created the blueprint for Whitney Houston, Beyonce's, and all the #1 divas out there. I love, just as a child, looking at magazines, and I saw these photos of Diana when she was in Central Park with her hair blowing in the rain. She just looked like the epitome of a true diva. And I said, one day I want a doll just like that. And I made my own inspired one. I think I did a good job. As time goes along, I'm not a perfect. That's why I don't sell these dolls. I'm not a perfectionist. But I think I did a wonderful job. Leave in the comments down below, did you like this video? Did I do a great job creating the look of Diana Ross from Central Park? And what other diva or dolls or DIY videos you would like to see me do? Leave it in the comments down below. I'll be back.